So welcome back to the Scrap Mechanic Survival Drilling Thunder, and we are really making the trailer for the truck. And I have found this stuff somewhere in the world, and decided to just yank it from the place. So primary objective is to get this and set it up well, and also we are not making it from wood. We are going for the metal frame instead of the wooden one. And the wheels will be directly here, and we are swapping for the large ones instead of the small. So like this, and raise the bearing up by 1 block. Same on the other side. I hope this will not look very dumb. I'm done. Like this. That's the center one. On the lift. Wheel here. And I want to change this part. Now another wheel will be just stick with one space, then build those like this, another large wheel, and it is off. So here this can be cut. Same for this. And its bottom platform. Both of those. This and that's it. One and two. Now we add few blocks on the bottom. So platform is way thicker. First, change this stuff to metal and this probably somewhere here. Other one. We just welded up right. So this. It is not showing me. Oh, it was on the lift. Oh. This will do. truck can go like this and drop it, and the wheels are too high up. So moved down by one. Bearings here and here. Same on this side. I drop it, it should be on the same level as before. Yep. Now one block in this direction. It is over the wheels. And slightly more. Hold on, because this might detach itself. Just like this. I have pulled one row of metal blocks this way. Do I want... Let's do the wooden floor inside. I save some metal. One. And we just have fall off. Where is weld? Spark on. This place. Secondary one. Also, this doesn't happen again. And final drag on the bottom, so the wood is not visible. this place. Come on. And I will swap those carapaces for the normal ones. Did I delete a bearing there? Maybe I need one bearing. Do I have some? Oh, 20 of them. Here, and 1, and 2, and third one. Swap this for a metal one. And weld it back on. I wish I could get some fuel containers. There's 4 of them. Yes, I have the beehive. I don't have the block to actually make it. Or it converts the pigment flour to beeswax probably. Where do I have those containers? Up, right. Doesn't want to attach or what? This way? There we go. And some metal one. In this place. Just leave the side full. this. We get it higher up, probably. Can I fit the diner? It might need to go up more. And this can be a roof at this point. And do I have more metal one? That's the question. None in this place. Some here. And I don't have enough to complete the build. That's just nice. Can I make some? Sorry, yes. And this way. Final one. A bit more. Guess that's different. We need to use some more wood in the yield. And this one is the low. So I guess that's it. That's the back side though. This collector is going there. And expand this so the line is nice. us some more reinforcements around. So trailer is kinda completed. I want to do the pistons finally on the front. I hope I have everything needed. So interactive and metal block 2. I might be short. This and lift bar. Let's do it like 2 of them here. Carve this one out. I'm kinda stuck. Okay, and now I want a switch. Sensors, there is a switch. Connect both of them. Does not connect it to right place. Are you too weak to pick it up? 7 is kinda too high. 6. Maybe it is 5 blocks. 4 blocks. 4 looks too low, so I guess 5 blocks. On both of them. And switch the side. Wait. How it is too high or? Oh, there is something weird going on. So how many blocks do we need from the... It's 2 more? That's the center and 2 more down. 1, 2 is top of the wheel. It's exactly in this place. So that's the block. So let me just do it on the 1 piston now. I need 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Extension. It is either too weak or I'm doing something wrong. Piston. Four blocks. Yep, there are just too weak cores. So now we need one kits. Scrap those 20. and 20 component kits gone. What we want to do is also weld those two together. Maybe a few block. Crosser is saying now is even. I would like to test it on 100% flat ground. Does it have some... Exactly top? It's not 4.5, something like this, like 4 of them and 4. Apparently that's the correct place. This hitch design, I will like to do it on a piston probably. So it is dropping into the slot. Or do a reverse version where the track actually detects the hitch and automatically extends it. This is nice, but so if I do it on one wheel, it might clip out like very easily unless I do a pistons on the track directly to lock it. So like this and raise it. Let's see if I can back it out into the hitch. I did say it is low. Five. That's 4. So 5. Now it's too high. Up. Not complaining. Let's do like this. And unlink those suspension back. And it is bending inwards, so block metal in the spot. Again. I might use one more wheel for it. I drop it into this slot. is apparently sitting there. So let's say I extend our distance on this side and on this side. This will grab those pipes. And I don't have enough space for it, which kinda sucks. But let's see this. Okay, it has hooked. And it has fell off. How about some more blocks for a support so it doesn't pull through it? I wonder if I have those wedge pieces. Can like bend the bearings out of the place. Let's get this one out. Okay. And drop it. It is apparently sitting in place. It is pulling out. I know I got it to work one time. So hold please when I get this working. We just come back. And we will continue with the episode. Okay, so I have completed the hitch. It is composed out of two parts. Primary one is this one is lifting. This is the lock for the hitch and hitch itself. So push it, drop it, and then lock it. And it is staying in place. I have drove around and wasted like one stack of fuel. Also, this is counting amount of crates. There is 7 of them, and 2 of them are left for the back mechanism for the closing. So we will be making this closing mechanism now. Also, I have painted some letters on the frame. So I cannot jump it onto it, or it is hard to do. So we are doing like drop down mechanism now. So I will need a controller. Let's use this level 5 because I have it. A piston. If I have it somewhere. Not on me. Not in this chest. I don't see it. So I'm in this, so probably 2 of them. Now, first debug. I want this to be removed. We need to basically go and push it out probably, then go with the controller to fold it and push it down after the fact. So it is sequence of three things. So this and push it, drops downwards, but we have two sticking out pieces. So this will not work. Because I want flat section. Where I left this wood piece. To be honest, I will just grab this one. Place a lift. This piece on a lift. Now I can move it around. So this is going back in. Do we need to first fold downwards? So this needs to go away. And use metal block here and here. We need to be one up, so they left. There we go. 1 and 2. Can I link it? Oh. Or maybe let's do pairing. Halfway. And there we go. Need to place it on a lift. Weld those together, so now it can lower. And by default, this will be like this. Because this is rotating, so I can probably do something like this and leave those empty. So now if I get the connection tool, hook to those pistons and extend it by units down. Why do you... Why? Huh? Is this thingy? Something is blocking the pistons from extending. It is separated, so... Simplest way. This and push. Doesn't push. Let's connect this one. Like, it is trying to move it. Ow. Because it is on a... It was on a lift. And it's too high up. 6 blocks. 5. Or it is 5 blocks exactly. Now bearing. Get back on a lift. And don't forget it is on a lift. Put those two together and one the frame. I might put a NOR gate on this switch there. Down. Didn't not fold outwards. Might need those locks here. Not those ones. Oh. Floor is going back in. Yes. Towards. Same for this one, so rotate by 90 and by 90. Just speed. Fast. Now this should give me a way to, yes, jump up and put a cage farmer like in this spot. So we need like those railing or something like this to punch it in, hit a button, and he will get sent into the cargo bay. But before that, it will be funny if I can use this piece. And I can. Connect it. Come on. You've seen flashing white. I will hit this white. Ah, it doesn't want to. Whatever. We are doing something like this. That's how we need to do it with a controller instead of the button. So you need a permanent place in this thingy. Let's do it like this. Yeah, and yeah. One and the last one. Just to make sure it's rotating the same down, same for this. And I will leave the switch on different as I'm making it a sequence. So first will be rotated. Extend a bit. Exactly 2. Then now do the rotation. So this 90. I forgot I removed the frame of it. And this. So down it's going, and now it's supposed to rotate it. And final one going down until the ground. 4 units, 5 units, not 4. There we go. If I hit a switch, it is going up. And now it's closing. I might need to change it a bit. So remove this one. Because it is closing now. Down you. Let's do it like 0. Just reset the controller fully. First rotate by 90, then drop it. I mean, it is kind of pitching when changing the angle. It will be probably fine. So I wish some railing in this place, but I don't have a lot of space. So let me see how many curved pieces do I have. And 10, and some of those T pieces. Might extend it by exactly 1 unit, I think. So when we don't want to step up, there are two of them. How about one? Then those segments. Rest of the pipes. And finalize the build. The section here. Same on this side. It was one. This. If I get like a piece which has inserted blocks, not the full ones, or it is only on the one side, it might be better so it has like a pocket. That we need way more pieces probably, what I have right now. Third one. Down, and that's the last piece. And does it close? Almost, like so close. Didn't close up properly. So those blocks. We have some. Let's see, like this. Now. Doesn't work. I have idea. Dumb idea, but idea. So instead of going instantly 90, it will be one block downwards, then the 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and 25 blocks. Now if I close it, those are in. Perfect. I'll just speed it up. Good. So that's it for this one. You just noticed I have locked myself in. That's it for this one. In next one, we might go and just hunt a bunch of farmers out. And to the trader so I can unlock some concrete foundation and other stuff. Because I've seen it, there is a lot of it, like research, some pillars and other stuff I really want to unlock. So that's it for this one.